So we finished the tour of the Rose Garden. It was a quick one because we took the buggy. So we got some pictures. Now we are going to, I know not where. I just go where the vehicle goes. Yes. And then we get a traffic block. Look at that, eh? Very, very close pass. Now we go very, very close. Yes. Pine Valley. Indian pine. After a long drive, traffic block, drive block, we reached, I think it's Coakers Walk, Kodaikanal. So we're just doing a walk. It's nice. There's a fog. Of course, even for the walk, we need tickets.